Hey guys, my name is Joshua Hernandez, and today we're going to be making hot chocolate with whipped cream. We're going to start off with our whipped cream first. We're going to mix 2 cups heavy cream, and a cup of sugar. So then you want to put in first your 2 cups, then you're going to want to put in your sugar. And now we're going to start mixing our whipped cream. Make sure while your whipped cream is whipping to heat up your milk in a microwave. At least put it in for 2 minutes or 1 minute, depending on if you like it hot or not. So now that our whipped cream is done mixing, I'm gonna start mixing our hot chocolate mix into the milk. You wanna get 2 tablespoons of your mix and just mix it. And then when it's done mixing, you want to get your whipped cream now and just put it on top. Nice and pretty. Then of course, grab your cinnamon stick. Just put it right there. Right there. Beautiful. And then you grab a pinch of your cinnamon, of course, and boom. There you go. This is my hot cocoa recipe. Merry Christmas.